Let the engine cool. Wear work gloves to protect your hands. Now, let's get started. Disconnect the spark plug wire from the spark plug. Release the starter rope from the lawnmower handle. Remove the screws from the blower housing. Pull the blower housing off the engine. Rotate the flywheel to position the flywheel magnets away from the ignition coil. Disconnect the stop wire. Remove the ignition coil mounting screws. Pull the ignition coil off the engine. Position the new ignition coil on the mounting posts and line up the mounting screw holes. Loosely reinstall the ignition coil mounting screws. Pull the ignition coil as far away from the flywheel as possible and then tighten the mounting screws. Insert the .010-inch feeler gauge leaf between the coil arms and the flywheel. Tip: you can use a business card instead of a feeler gauge leaf to set the ignition coil air gap. It's about the same width. Rotate the flywheel to position the flywheel magnets in front of the ignition coil. Loosen the ignition coil mounting screws and allow the magnets to pull the ignition coil against the feeler gauge leaf. Tighten the mounting screws and work the feeler gauge leaf out of the ignition coil air gap. Connect the stop wire to the new ignition coil. Position the blower housing on top of the engine and line up the mounting holes. Reinstall the mounting screws. Reconnect the starter rope to the mower handle. Reconnect the spark plug wire to the spark plug.